They do not consume wood, but rather hollow it out to create living spaces for their expanding populations. Fire ant, known for their painful stings and aggressive behavior. These ants deliver a venomous sting that causes a burning sensation, followed by the formation of white pustules. They are highly territorial and will swarm any perceived threat to their mounds, which are typically found in open, sunny areas like lawns and pastures. Their aggressive nature and potent venom make them a significant pest in many parts of the world, impacting agriculture, wildlife, and human health. Leafcutter ant, famous for cutting leaves to grow fungus, their main food source. These fascinating ants exhibit a highly sophisticated form of agriculture, meticulously harvesting plant material not for direct consumption, but to cultivate a specialized fungus garden deep within their elaborate nests. The fungus breaks down the plant matter, providing the ants with digestible nutrients. This symbiotic relationship highlights a complex social structure and division of labor within their colonies. Army ant, nomadic and extremely aggressive, moving in massive swarms. Unlike most ants, army ants do not build permanent nests. Instead, they are constantly on the move, forming temporary bivouacs out of their own bodies. Their vast raiding columns, often comprising millions of individuals, sweep across the forest floor, preying on virtually any invertebrate in their path, and even larger animals that cannot escape quickly enough. Their synchronized hunting strategies are a marvel of natural cooperation. Bullet ant, found in South America, has one of the most painful insect stings in the world. Weaver ant builds nests by weaving leaves together using larval silk. These ingenious architects use a remarkable technique to construct their arboreal homes. Adult ants hold leaves together while larvae, held in the jaws of workers, excrete silk to stitch the leaves permanently into intricate, weather-resistant nests. This collective effort demonstrates a high level of coordination and specialized roles within their colonies, crucial for their survival in tropical environments. Pharaoh ant, tiny yellow ants that often infest hospitals and homes. These minute pests are a major concern in healthcare settings due to their ability to spread pathogens and contaminate sterile environments. Their small size allows them to infiltrate even the smallest cracks and crevices, making them notoriously difficult to control. Ghost ant, small, pale ants that are difficult to see, often invade kitchens. Named for their translucent legs and abdomen, which make them nearly invisible, these ants are a common household pest. They prefer sweet foods and moisture, often establishing nests near water sources or in potted plants. Their ability to quickly establish multiple satellite colonies and their tiny size allow them to proliferate rapidly and become a persistent nuisance in kitchens and bathrooms. Black garden ant, common in gardens and lawns, also known as the common black ant. These ubiquitous ants are frequently seen foraging for food in outdoor spaces and can also venture indoors in search of sweets. They typically build their nests underground, characterized by small mounds of excavated soil. While generally harmless, large colonies can sometimes cause minor damage to lawns or pavements, and their presence indoors can be an annoyance. Sugar ant, attracted to sweet foods and commonly found in homes. These ants, varying in size and color depending on the species, are notorious for invading kitchens and pantries in pursuit of sugary treats. They establish trails to food sources, quickly overwhelming spilled drinks or exposed confections. Their persistent foraging habits and preference for sweet substances make them a frequent visitor in residential areas, often necessitating pest control measures.